I am completed my BE Mechanical Engineering 2019 at first,
Just a
and I
second.
am start, what?
Now you can start.
I am Nirmal. I am completed my BE Mechanical Engineering 2019 passed out, and I started my work in CRI Pumps, Coimbatore.
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
yes. Rajendra, can you ask some questions?
Okay, tell me
Yeah.
about your age. How old are you?
23, man.
23, okay. Are you married?
What?
Are you married?
No, single.
Single.
Okay. And what about your work experience?
2 years, man. CRI
In
Pumps
what?
Private Limited.
2 years where you have the work experience. We are looking for
CRI,
a lathe machine operator who can do the basic things in the workshops. You know,
yeah,
the
yes,
videos that we show you in the basic
yes.
things in the workshops and to operate the lathe machine. Can you do this?
Uh, I will work at Yamasaki Masak, CNC lathe.
CNC lathe you
Turning.
work. Very nice,
Yeah,
very good. If you worked on the CNC lathe machine, you can do all the operations on the workshops.
yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, nice, very good, very good. But in the CNC, you worked as a programmer or with to handle the machine manually.
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 Then
So you work
basic
with hand.
level programming.
So you have the skills to work with hand.
Yeah, basic
Very
level program.
very nice. And you are you have the confidence that you can work all the manual operations in the workshop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
In what country did you work?
What? Sorry.
In what
Country,
country?
India.
India.
So 2 years in India, right?
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Okay. Before that?
No, man. That's the first.
Only 2 years
Okay,
younger.
okay. Do you know anyone in Romania? You have any friends or relative here?
No, man, no, man.
Okay. What are your expectation in terms of salary?
Uh, he told 600 USD.
How much?
600 USD.
600 USD.
Do you plan to stay longer in Romania? Maybe more than 5 years?
Yeah, so much possible.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you smoke?
Sorry.
Do you smoke cigars?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you drink?
No, ma'am.
Are you Hindu?
What?
Religion, Hindu. Hindu?
No, 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 no.
So what is your religion?
Christian.
Christian?
Okay.
Christian.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.